Yeah, so welcome to the Cherne booth. Cherne is a brand that's part of the Oatey family of companies. So as you can see here, we have several plumbing brands that you probably notice: Hercules, Oatey PVC cement, and other accessories, even job site body wipes. I think Amanda's going to walk us through some of the plugs that we have.
Yeah, so from a Cherne perspective, a lot of the plumbers will know us for the small test balls that they're going to use in the job site to make sure that they don't have leaks in a common residential plumbing, residential or commercial plumbing system. But there's actually a whole other side to Cherne that a lot of people don't really know about if they're on the plumbing side, and that is the waterworks side, underground, when we're talking about needing to block and test extremely large pipes. So come with me and we're going to show you some of the big pipes that we actually have in comparison to this. All right, so this is a 24-inch to 60-inch pipe or test plug, and it is actually robotically made. So we're really excited about this product because it's new. And you can see that we're doing everything from supporting the plumber with this to going underground and using this plug to test and block as needed. This plug is robotically made, which means that we have removed all human error from the equation to really create a reliable, consistent quality, which is really important when it comes to safety with what we call pneumatic plugs like this. So we're really excited about the potential that robotic manufacturing provides for us. So this is part of what we call our I-Series, and this is the largest plug that we make that is robotically manufactured. But it is not the largest plug that we make. So if you come right over here, you will actually see what we are unveiling today at the WWETT show, which is the world's largest test ball. This is the biggest one in the world. So when you've got a situation underground that's calling for something that is far exceeding the typical standard pipe size, this is what you're going to get when you call Cherne. We've manufactured it using all of the same safety and quality standards that we do with all of our plugs, but just taking it literally to a whole new level. You know, again, safety is really important when it comes to being underground with plugs of these size, so we've taken all the care and attention to making sure that the quality is there. So again, when it comes to Cherne, we're talking everything from tiny plugs to the world's largest plugs. That's why we're the leader in pipe, plugs, and testing. You know, we've been around since 1950 or so, and really excited to have Cherne as a part of the Oatey family of brands.